Hello all, myself Professor Girish Nole. I'm working as assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of AI Systems IIT. And today I'm here to give introduction about principles of cybersecurity. So these are the different principles of securities. First one is confidentiality, second is authentication, third is integrity, fourth one is access control, next is availability, and last one is non-repetition. So we'll see one by one. What is confidentiality? So confidentiality means, so let's say if A is a sender, B is a receiver. Okay. So in that case, both sender and receiver should be confident about the transmission of message in between A and B. So they are sure that nobody apart from them is accessing the message. That is confidentiality principle. So whenever A is sending a message to B, the message is very confidential, and both of them should be very much sure that nobody is gaining the control of the message. So that is confidentiality. Availability means what? Key, suppose A is a user and B is a resource. So the resource user A is a valid user for accessing the resources from user B, and user A should be always able to access the resources, but the loss of availability principle occurs whenever there is a intruder or attacker attacks on the resources, or it gain the control of the resources. So we can say it's a loss of availability principle. Third one is authentication. Let's say user A is there and B is a resources. So authentication means what? Key, user A has some user ID and password of that particular resources, and user A is typing the particular user ID and password and taking the control of the resources B. But whenever user C hacks the ID and password, then user C claims that he is the user as A, and he will get the control of the resources B. So that is, we can say, loss of authentication principle. Next is integrity principle. So integrity principle means A is sending a particular message to B, but in between C is taking the access of the message and making some modification in that message and sending again to B. Let's say A user A is sending that I want rupees 500 and send to my account. So in that case, C is taking the control of the message, changing the account of user A as user C, and changing the particular amount as 500 to 5,000 or 5 lakhs and sending to B. So B will think that the message comes from A, but it actually comes from user C. So we can say it's a loss of integrity message occurs here. So loss of integrity means nothing but change of message in between transmission of user A and user B. So that is integrity. So integrity occurs whenever the particular message loss. Authentication occurs whenever there is a particular loss of identity of a particular user. So whenever a particular hacker gets the control user ID or password from the user, then it will treat that he is the user, and the loss of authentication occurs. Availability, again, user A is actually the authorized user to access resource B, but user C is sending the multiple requests to B, so that B will be very busy to serve the request to user C. In that case, user A will not get the control of the message. Again, confidentiality means both A and B are the actually sure that both of them are accessing the message and nobody is getting the control, but user C somehow managed to get the access of the message, and the user C is monitoring the transmission in between user and user B. So again, in confidentiality, there are two types of attacks. One is a passive attack, and another one is active attack. Active attack means whenever the confidentiality, the message is transmitted between A and B, User SA is making the modification in that message, that is uh, active attack. And passive attack is just nothing but user C is just monitoring the transmission between A and B, and it is not modifying any information. That is passive attack. So these are the different principles of cyber security.